Little guy. Look at you. Little? I'm not little. I'm hung like a bull, lady. Check it out. You ever seen a bird neck this big? Too much for you, huh, baby?
Yeah.
All right, well, step off then, sweet cheeks. Come back when you want some real love.
Hey.
Fucking tease.
Hey! Hey there, little guy. How you doing?
Fuck off, Four Eyes.
I beg your pardon?
I said, fuck off, Four Eyes.
I ought to kick your ass.
Hey, relax, son. It's just a bird. I know, birdie. Polly want a cracker?
Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
What did Polly say to me?
I said, Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
You don't be talking about my mama, son. You don't know my mama, son.
I know your mama. I fucked her last night.
You won't be? I'll fuck you up.
Ooh, I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
Nah, fuck this. I'm gonna handle this shit like gentlemen. Yo, hold my tooth, son.
Yeah, come on, bitch. You and that welcome back Cotter haircut want a piece of me? Come on, bring it on.
What, you hardcore? Give me some.
Come
What?
on, bitch.
Nah. What? No, you gonna talk?
Let me out of
Do
here.
it.
Come on, pussy. Let me out of here. I'll fuck you up.
It was traumatic. It really was. And it's taken me a while to get over it, but, you know, now that we're out of the house and back in school, I just know that everything's gonna be okay.
Oh, God, will you shut the fuck up? Why couldn't you have just left me there to die? Give me a fucking rope. I hate